Keep opening it. What is it, Owen? Owen, keep opening it.
I have something like this.
Good job. Keep going.
And now it's just damaged.
Yeah. Ooh, what did you get?
Slowly leak air.
Look at that. He gets this opening presents thing.
Right now, you want to keep it in.
Oh my goodness. It's an airport. Oh, that's so cute. Owen, you can fly like Dad.
You still have to be nice.
Now,
Yay, can you go give Grandma a kiss?
Just kidding.
Go give Grandma a kiss. Oh, someone's tired already.
Yeah, she's tired.